Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, today we are diving into two big stories. One about what's happening in the Arctic Ocean, and the other about a silent but dangerous issue that affects many people worldwide drowning. So grab your earphones, settle in, and let's get started. Yes, now what's happening to the Arctic? Imagine a giant ice sheet floating on the top of the Arctic Ocean. This ice is what scientists call sea ice, right? And uh, it grows in winter and melts a little in summer. But here's the alarming news. For the past 40 years, yes, just a second. Yes, as you can see, for the past 40 years, what is happening? This ice has been melting faster than ever before. And scientists say that at the current rate, we might soon see the first ice free. Yes, first ice free. First ice free day in the Arctic. That's a day when almost all the sea ice disappears, leaving behind less than 1 million 1 million square kilometers of ice. All right. Now, students, 1 million square kilometers of ice, that may sound like a lot, but it's really a tiny amount for such a massive ocean. And when might this happen? Some experts believe this could happen before 2030 or even as early as 2027. Yes. So some scientists believe that this free ice day, it could happen before 2030, right? Before 2030 and or even as early as 2027. So if the Arctic has an unusually warm year, so ये बहुत जल्दी भी हो सकता है, and that's just 3 years from now, right? So this is concerning, right? Now the first question which might come to your mind is, why is this happening? The main reason for the melting Arctic is, we all know, it is climate change, है ना? Climate change की वजह से हो रहा है. Human activities like burning fossil fuels in cars, factories, ये सब क्या करता है? It releases gases in air, which is called greenhouse gas, and these gases trap heat from the sun. ये गैस क्या करती है? जो सन की हीट है उसको ट्रैप कर देती है, which causes earth to warm up, right? And the Arctic is especially sensitive to this warming. Why? Because see, as the planet heats up, the sea ice melts faster and faster, and scientists are saying that the Arctic is warming 4 times, yes students, 4 times faster than the rest of the world, right? 4 times faster. अब जितना, जैसे अगर ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर, इमेजिन जस्ट हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन, अगर ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर अगर 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस राइज कर रहा है, तो आर्कटिक में उसका 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, राइट? नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई डज दिस मैटर? यस, so why should we care about sea ice in the Arctic? Well, the disappearing ice has serious effects on the entire planet. How? See, warming, what happens is, uh, the warming the planet, what that the Arctic Ocean, which is warming which is warming the planet faster, it reflects the ice, it reflects the ice, right? And see, ice, when the sunlight, the ice, which is present, it reflects sunlight back into space, right? And this keep the earth cool. But without it, the dark ocean water which is present, it will absorb more heat, and this will make the Arctic and the rest of the planet even warmer. है ना। क्या होगा कि अब क्या होता है, जैसे राइट, जैसे ये आइस ब्लॉक है ना, और ये सनरेज है। तो जब ये सनरेज यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट करती हैं, यहाँ पर फॉल करती हैं, आइस ब्लॉक पर फॉल करती हैं, तो आइस ब्लॉक क्या करता है, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इट बैक इनटू स्पेस, राइट। इससे क्या होता है कि जो पूरा प्लैनेट है वो कूल रहता है, अर्थ कूल रहता है। बट इफ इस आइस ब्लॉक के एब्सेंस में, इफ देयर इज ओशन, द ओशन इज डार्क, तो सन का जो रेज होंगी वो पूरी तरह से ये एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा, right? So this will absorb, and this will make the Arctic and the rest of the planet even warmer, right? On the other hand, melting ice also contributes to rising sea level, है ना, sea level, right? तो melting ice से क्या होगा, sea level भी rise होगा, right? And this can cause flooding in coastal areas. Coastal areas में flood आएगा, and low-lying regions, this could be, underwater in the future if this continues. अगर ये situation continue होती गई तो जो low lying region है, it could be underwater. And imagine the impact it will have on animals and people. Animals like polar bears, walrus, reindeer, they depend on sea ice for their survival. So as their habitat melt, they struggle to find food and shelter. And this also affect the people living in the Arctic, who eventually they also depend on these animals ना। तो अगर एनिमल्स के सर्वाइवल खराब होगा, उनका सर्वाइवल डेंजर होगा, ऑफ कोर्स जो लोग वहां पे रह रहे हैं उनको भी ये अफेक्ट करेगा, right? And a warmer Arctic can trigger extreme weather like floods, storms, heat waves in many parts of the world. So what happens in Arctic doesn't just stay there. It affects all of us, right? And what can we do? Yes, this I have repeated many times in the podcast. You doing small actions, using less energy at home, turning off lights and fans when they are not in use, walking, cycling, or using public transport, planting more trees. See, every small action counts, right? So that's the story. That's the first story for today. The Arctic is melting. Now, let's move on to our next story about something closer to home, a hidden danger called drowning, right? Now, students, did you know that in 2021, yes, in 2021, around 3 lakh people, yes, that's right, 3 lakh, 3 lakh people died by drowning all around the world. So that's 30 people every hour. Yes. So 30 people every hour dying because of drowning. And most of these deaths happened in low and middle income countries. Low and middle income countries, where people don't always have access to swimming lessons, safety equipment, or awareness programs. And when we talk about the Southeast Asia region, which also includes India, drowning caused 83,000 deaths, or 28% of the global burden. And that's huge. Now, the question is, who is most at risk? See, drowning, although it affects everyone, but children and young people, are most at risk. And here's what the report says. This report is published by World Health Organization. Okay, so it published its first ever global status report on drowning prevention. ड्राउनिंग प्रिवेंशन पे फर्स्ट टाइम इन्होंने रिपोर्ट पब्लिश किया था, तो उसी में ये सारा डेटा प्रेजेंट है। तो इस रिपोर्ट में ये क्या कह रहे हैं कि चिल्ड्रन हु आर अंडर 5 years, चिल्ड्रन हु आर अंडर 5 years, they are most vulnerable. Okay, so children under 5 years are most vulnerable. They accounted for 24% of drowning deaths, and older kids between 5 to 14 also face a higher risk. So this means drowning is one of the top causes of death for children worldwide. Now the question is, why is drowning so common? Drowning इतना common कैसे हो गया है और कैसे है? See, there are few reasons. कुछ reasons हैं जो इस पूरे report में भी mentioned है और इस article में लिखा है. First reason is, number one reason is lack of awareness. Yes, lack of awareness and safety measures. Many people don't know how to swim or take precautions around water. नहीं पता चलता, इतना एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं जैसे स्विमिंग पूल में या फिर ओशन के पास में ओशन स्विमिंग करने के लिए जाते हैं, तो इतना ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं वाटर वाटर को देख के कि सेफ्टी मेजर्स लेना और इवन अवेयरनेस की कमी की वजह से ड्राउनिंग देखने को मिलती है. एंड सेकेंड रीजन इज क्लाइमेट चेंज. यस, क्लाइमेट चेंज. सी, क्लाइमेट चेंज हैज कॉज्ड an increase in floods, which leads to more drowning incidents, especially in poorer areas. And only 33%, only 33%, so 33% of countries have proper training programs to teach people safe rescue. मतलब सिर्फ कुछ ही ऐसे कंट्रीज है जो एक्चुअल में ट्रेनिंग देते हैं कि रेस्क्यू और फर्स्ट एड कैसे देना है, राइट? तो ये सारे रीजंस हैं which has been listed on this report. Now the question is, how can we prevent drowning? See, the good news is that drowning is preventable, right? Number one thing which can be done is swimming lessons. Teaching kids and adults how to swim can save lives. और ये swimming is something which everyone should know, right? So rather than just a hobby or something like that, it's a skill, है ना, सबको ये एक्वायर करना चाहिए. सेकेंड, water safety education. Yes, schools and communities can teach people about safety near rivers, lakes and seas. ऐसा नहीं कि अगर कई बार ऐसा देखा गया, ऐसी न्यूज़ देखने को मिली है कि डैम के पास में लोग वहां पे घूमने के लिए गए हैं और सडनली वाटर रिलीज किया गया और उसकी वजह से डेथ हो गया. तो ये सारी चीजें अवॉइडेबल हैं, राइट? And supervision. Young children should never be left alone near water, even for a moment. कई बार ऐसा न्यूज़ में देखने को भी आए, ऐसे वीडियोस भी इमर्ज हुए कि जहाँ पे स्विमिंग पूल में पेरेंट्स के साइड में ही बच्चे डूब रहे होते हैं लेकिन पता नहीं चल पाता, राइट? तो सुपरविजन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ फोर्थली is installing fences around around wells, pools and ponds. It can keep children safe and right. तो एक तरह से barriers, building barriers is also important. Last point is emergency training, learning basic rescue techniques. कौन से? For example, yes, this you might have heard many times, CPR. It's a life-saving procedure and it can make a big difference during emergency. तो CPR कैसे करते हैं ये भी पता होना चाहिए, right? So World Health Organization is calling for governments, schools and even communities to take drowning prevention seriously. They suggest including swimming lessons in school curriculum and investing in programs to teach water safety. And the report also highlights that if we don't act, more than 7.2 million, 7.2 million people, mainly children, could die due to this silent killer by the year 2050, right? So that was about the WHO report by World Health Organization. Now, students, both of today's story, the melting Arctic and drowning prevention, show us why it's important to care about our planet and each other. For the Arctic, reducing greenhouse gas emission is key to saving sea ice and protecting our climate. And for drowning prevention, education, awareness, safety programs can save millions of lives. Remember, no action is too small. All right. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning about these important topics and feel inspired to make a difference. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to join us next time for more fascinating stories. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep learning.